Hello, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are doing well. I share a story of Chili Oil Maggi Noodles on my Instagram page, and so many of you asked me the recipe, so here it is. This recipe is so simple and easy to make that you can make anytime at your home. So let's start. For that you will need red chili powder, toasted sesame seeds, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, vinegar. You can use white vinegar or rice vinegar, any vinegar, and add boiling Maggi water. Mix it well, and again now add boiled Maggi noodles. Mix it well together nicely and serve with extra chili oil and fresh coriander. I eat this Maggi noodle with apple kimchi. We'll share that recipe soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Until then, take care. Bye. See you soon. Annyeong. I already shared how to make chili oil at home. If you like to watch, we'll share link in the description.